Attention animal lovers. Florida has just increased the stakes in the fight against animal cruelty. New laws ramp up penalties for abuse. Trooper's Law, inspired by a heroic pup named Trooper, makes it a serious crime to abandon pets during disasters. Safety for all creatures, great and small. Get ready, Floridians. By 2026, a public online database will allow anyone to identify convicted animal abusers, protecting our beloved companions. Join us in this crucial mission to protect our pets. Share this news and make Florida a safe haven for animals everywhere. The time for action is now.